Hi, everybody.
Good morning or afternoon. Or
whenever you pick this up. Not very good at the social distancing here.
That's okay.
But we're wanting to do another live, in-person, on-screen lab activity for you. And the lesson so far has been talking about formation of a precipitate. So we thought we might make some precipitates.
We sort of did one in the silver lab, and so you didn't necessarily know what that was all about. And this is where you'll actually learn about what it looks like, what it does. So we're gonna tip, so you won't see us.
Ooh, and I think you can see it there. Woohoo! It looks like you can see.
All right, very good.
So you might notice that there are these little tiny pipettes, and they've got some liquid in them. And each pipette is labeled with a different solution. So this one that I was just picking up is silver nitrate.
Mm-hmm. And we put the nitrates on the top, and then we put our extras: sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and those should all be listed on the form that you've already printed out, hopefully.
Yeah, and if you don't have it printed out or opened up, go ahead and pause the video, pull that up so you can follow along.
Yep. Very good. And all we're going to do is we're going to just mix. Okay, so basically we're doing reactions. So we'll start with this one, right? So I'll do NaOH. We'll put a little bit of drop. Put a couple drops.
And I'll add a little bit of lead nitrate. Ooh, okay. I hope you can see something there. Take a moment and write a little observation.
Now, how do you know what's happening? I mean, it looks like there's kind of a chunky stuff in there.
Little cloudy, white.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you think that's that thing that we called a precipitate a little earlier in the lesson?
I think so. I think that's how we would know.
Okay.
So in real life, we actually see something.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll probably go through the rest of these a little more quickly.
Yep.
Now that you kind of know. Feel free to pause along the way if you need to.
So we're just going to go across the NaOH row, I think. Put a couple drops there.
And I've got the copper nitrate, which is blue. Oh.
Okay. We'll do NaOH, another couple drops here.
And this one is the silver nitrate. Aha! Hydroxides are interesting.
Yeah.
We got lots of cool stuff.
Might be interesting to look at your solubility chart and see about hydroxides.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll go across HCl.
Do you want to go ahead and put all of them across?
I'll go ahead and do that. Yep. Okay. So there's 2 drops all the way.
And now we've got our lead nitrate. Woo. That was pretty major. Mm-hmm. Copper nitrate.
That one looks different.
Okay. That still looks kind of transparent.
Yeah.
Okay. And now our silver nitrate. Okay.
The last row here, we have some sulfuric acid. A couple drops of each. There we go.
And starting with our lead again, lead nitrate. Well, lead is interesting. Copper, not so much.
Yeah, looks the same as.
All right, silver one, not so much. So now, pause if you need to see more observations. So now your job is going to be to pick 3 of these where something happened. And see if you can write the balanced equation, use those double replacement rules for how to predict what the products are.
And then we want to use your solubility rules for our products to see which one of those ended up precipitating. So make sure you're picking ones that actually have a precipitate.
I think we're only asking you to do 3.
Yep, only do 3. We'll say there's 6 to pick from. Yeah. So that'll let you know if you've got the right ones.
And then you're going to write your word equation, molecular equation, total ionic equation, and net ionic.
So it is a lot of writing, especially for that total, but it's really good, and that makes it super easy to get that net.
Right.
If you write that one out.
Cool. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll talk to you a little later.
All right. Bye, guys.